So at the age of about 10, I was hooked on reading Nancy Drew mysteries. Nancy was brave and unusually sensible, stylish, generous, and she had this relentless desire to succeed. And at the time, I had no idea that someday I would be solving my own kind of mysteries. Since I started sewing, I couldn't help but wonder why the handmade bags that I created didn't have that same store-bought appeal as bags that you would see at boutiques and department stores. So I was determined to crack the code and uncover the formula to learn how to make professional looking bags. I knew there had to be a secret, so after years of trial and error and lots of sewing experiences, good and bad, I have compiled this essential guide full of tips and my knowledge to share with you. So whether you're just starting your sewing journey or you've been sewing for a few years, I hope that this book will help build your confidence in bag making, and you'll explore new ideas and techniques, and also keep it handy as a reference in your sewing room. I've written this entire book so you can make the projects and use all the techniques on your home sewing machine. I am truly grateful to have authored this book. I hope that it will inspire you to never stop learning and creating. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my new book.